Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow friend recommendations on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and then click on this button that you can find at the bottom of the screen on the right side. Then click on settings at the top of the screen and then scroll down in this left side column and tap on privacy and social. Go to the social section, which is the first one, and here you can find the allow friend recommendations feature that you can enable by tapping on the enable button. And basically that's it. If you want to disable, just tap on the other one. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.